guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another amazing haul from me, that is the Bum with Curl. So मैंने एक मेगा haul किया है and इसमें बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, मेकअप, स्किन केयर, आपको लग्जरी प्रोडक्ट्स मिलेंगे, हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स मिलेंगे. सो बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. आई मीन लाइक आई हैव अराउंड 40+ प्रोडक्ट्स. सो जल्दी से स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो, वरना ये बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. बट इन केस यू आर न्यू टू माई चैनल, प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन डाउन बिलो. एंड इन केस यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, डू गिव दिस वीडियो अ बिग थम्स अप. So without any further delay, let's get the video rolling. So this is my Nykaa luxury box and you guys can see. So any makeup haul or skincare special haul is incomplete without the water sleeping mask. So I have used the dupe of these, but अभी मैं इसका जो original Laneige का स्लीपिंग मास्क है वो मैं यूज़ करने जाऊंगी. सो आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड. जैसे कि मैंने, आप देख सकते हैं, मैंने इसका सील वगैरह कुछ नहीं खोला है एंड या आई ट्राई दिस. आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड. इसके साथ एक प्लास्टिक का स्पैचुला भी आया है सो दैट आई कैन स्कूप आउट द प्रोडक्ट. सो दिस इज़ वेरी गुड. सो इसके साथ मुझे फ्री गिफ्ट्स मिले थे. एक है द Laneige क्लीनिंग मल्टी डीप क्लीन क्लेंजर, अनदर मिनी water sleeping mask, and I have got this chotu sa water bank eye gel. I don't know if I'll be using this, but I may. Next product I got is the Davida Cool Water. Guys, this fragrance is amazing. बहुत अच्छा है. This retailed for around 1800, but I got this at I guess 1400 or something. 100 ml है इसमें. So this is amazing. Okay, from the house of MAC I got their fixer. I wanted to buy the pink light, but that was out of stock. So this is the MAC Fix Plus Magic Radiance setting spray, and I got a lipstick MAC. So this is a mini lipstick from their house, and this is in the shade Meher. So it comes in this very nice packaging, and the lipstick is very small. I mean, I got it for 1050 and this is very small, very small. I also got a highlighter sample free from Becca. Becca is a, I guess, if I'm not wrong, if it's an Australian brand, or I don't know, pardon me if I'm wrong. Next, let's come to the appliance part. So okay, so the first product is the Dermasuction. So this is the Dermasuction for cleaning device. अगर आपके white heads या black heads हैं, you can definitely use this. I'll be using it and I'll let you guys know how this is. अच्छा, और एक चीज़, इसके साथ 3 ऐसे suction nozzles आते हैं. जैसा आपका requirement होगा, you can use that. So the next appliance is a 5-in-1 beauty care massager. So ये मेरी मम्मी ने एक बार खरीदा था and I lost it or I damaged it, I don't know, but this is very good. I got a Buff Master. I mean, this is Nykaa's makeup sponge, makeup brush cleaner. So आप इसको इसके ऊपर you can use it. I mean, this is very good. I have used it in the morning and I am quite impressed. Okay, switching to the biggest part of the haul, so makeup and skincare. So the first product that I would like to talk about is the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. And guys, the packaging is a bomb product. I mean, so this is the Makeup Revolution palette. So इसके और भी shades, I mean, इसके और भी genres आते हैं. I guess एक animal print का है और कुछ fiery या Amazon based कुछ है. So I got the Constellation one, Forever Flawless Constellation palette. The color payoff is amazing and these colors are so vibrant. These colors are so vibrant. I'm super excited to use them. I mean, high hopes. अच्छा, this मुझे इस पे कोई सेल नहीं मिला था. So I got this at 1850. This was at 18. No discount. So the next product that I would like to show you guys is this lipstick by Sugar. So this is the Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick. I got this sharpener free, and guys, this lipstick is so good. The shade of this lipstick is Poison Ivy. It is a very deep maroony shade, and this is a very nice color. Next product that I got is another lipstick. This is the Nykaa Paint Sticks in the shade Gold Digger, and this is not a matte. I mean, this is a creamy lipstick. Smudge proof नहीं है एकदम भी, and this is a very nice plum color, and this is a very nice color. I really like it. पहले हम लोग मेकअप खत्म कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद स्किन केयर पे जाएंगे. So in makeup, the next product that I would like to talk about is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. It is in the shade 204, Blackest Black. And मैंने बहुत सुना है इसके बारे में. Like this is a dupe of the Too Faced one. So I have not used this. This is sealed, as you guys can see, and I am super excited about this. Another thing, Nykaa का एक ऑफर चल रहा था कि अगर आप 1600 आई मीन 1599 का कुछ प्रोडक्ट खरीद लेते हैं तो आपको एक लिपस्टिक फ्री मिलेगा. सो दिस वाज अ फ्री लिपस्टिक, एंड आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि इतना अच्छे शेड में. अच्छा, दिस ऑल्सो हैज अ शार्पनर इन इट, like just like Sugar. So I did not expect they'll give me this nice shade. I mean, this is a very 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 nice nude shade, and this is like butter smooth. आपको थोड़ा केयरफुल रहना है इसको बंद करते हुए, क्योंकि you know you can break this any time and पूरा मतलब खराब हो सकता है. So be very careful while you deal with this kind of lipsticks. So the next product that I like to talk about is the kajal. This is my favorite kajal. This is the Faces Canada Magnetized Kajal. Amazing smudge नहीं करता है, because I have had used previous kajals. बहुत सारे ब्रांड के मैंने यूज किए हुए हैं, but this is the best. अच्छा, I got Sugar. This is a free product. I don't like the color at all. I mean, I don't like this color, to be very honest. I mean, I might give this off to any friend who likes this, but I'm not going to use this color. This is a very corally pink color. This is in the shade Plum Yum, and I'm not someone who uses this very peachy pink color on their lips. I'm more drawn towards either reds or maroons or into nudes. So the next shade of lipstick is the NYX Lingerie in the shade Liply 05. I have two favorite lipsticks amongst here, and this is one of them. So this shade is to die for. I mean, guys, this is such a nice brown shade. I am super happy in purchasing this. I'm super happy. So the next makeup product that I would like to talk about is the Nykaa Strobe and Glow Liquid Highlighter. This is in the shade, I can't see it. So this comes in a cardboard packaging, like जैसे Nykaa के सब products आते हैं. Glass bottle है इसका, and this is in the shade Glazed Bronze. So if I talk about the highlighter, so this is a liquid highlighter, right? And I will be using this. I won't be using this as a highlighter, but I'll mix this up with any cream and I'll use it as a strobe cream. उतना भी मतलब chunky glittery नहीं है. It is a very nice, smooth highlighter. So I am very happy with the color payoff and with everything. The next kajal that I got is the Lakme Iconic Kajal. This is not a black kajal, but this is a colored kajal. So this is in the shade Royal Blue. Another lipstick that I got. So this is not the last lipstick, और एक है. So this is in the this is the Maybelline Superstay Matting in the shade Seductress. So this is very similar to Nykaa's free lipstick that they gave me. I mean, this is a shade. This is a more pinkish shade, drawn towards on the pinkish side. I mean, this is a very much warm nude, and this is a cooler nude. I don't know whether you guys can differentiate whilst I show it on camera, but this is a very differentiable yet similar lipstick. Okay, so the last makeup product is another lipstick. So this is my favorite lipstick amongst everything. So this is the Sugar Modern Auburn lipstick, and guys, this is such a pretty shade. This is a very pretty shade. I mean, this is the perfect red. This is the perfect oxblood red anyone would hope for. This is so pretty. I mean, I had one thing, मैं एक चीज कहना चाहूँगी. I had high hopes from MAC. I mean, but I have swatched the Meher shade and I'm not quite happy with MAC. I mean, I personally feel, because this is my first MAC product and I'm not ashamed to say that, because this is very costly. I mean, MAC is on a higher end. It's a luxury product and I think it's quite overrated. I mean, I have used it and I'm not quite happy with MAC though. So now that we are done with the makeup section of our haul, let's switch on to the skincare and the hair care part. So the first product is the Mamaearth Ubtan face mask. Aditi Shrestha, like you guys also know her as that quirky miss. उसने बहुत recommend किया था, and सिर्फ उसी ने नहीं, बहुत bloggers और YouTube makeup artists, they keep on recommending this. So I have high hopes from this because Mamaearth का मैंने पहले भी Coco face mask use करके रखा है, and that is a very good face mask. So I am quite hopeful for this one. The next skincare product that I have is the Neutrogena Deep Clean Blackhead Eliminating Daily Scrub with Blackhead Fighting Complex. So I don't have blackheads, I have whiteheads. So hopefully ये वैसा ही काम करेगा. Let's hope for the best. नायका का एक नया रेंज लॉन्च हुआ है फेस वॉश का. सो आई गॉट देयर नायका नेचुरल्स सैफरन एंड हनी ग्लोइंग फेस वॉश. नेट वॉल्यूम इसका 100 ml है एंड फ्रेग्रेंस उतना अच्छा नहीं है, अपीलिंग नहीं है, बट लेट्स सी हाउ व्हाट इट डज टू माय स्किन. आई मीन इट क्लेम्स दैट इट विल ग्लो योर स्किन, बट मुझे उतने सारे हाई होप्स नहीं है बिकॉज इट रिटेल्स फॉर 139. So the next skincare product is the Dot & Key Deep Exfoliate Plus Energizing Bubble Clay Mask. So मैं ना इसको बहुत दिन से कोशिश कर रही थी कि मैं खरीदूंगी, क्योंकि नायका में ये हरदम मतलब जस्ट आउट ऑफ स्टॉक ही रहता है, ठीक है. सो आई गॉट होल्ड ऑफ दिस बेबी एंड आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड on trying this out, and let's see if this works as it claims or not. But I really like their packaging. I mean, Dot & Key का packaging बहुत अच्छा होता है. So I also have this VLCC Pearl Facial Kit and I got hold of this product. ये बहुत एक Lakme Peach Milk बहुत टाइम से है मार्केट में, बट दिस इज द Lakme Peach Milk Ultra Light Gel. अगर आप YouTube बहुत सारे ब्लॉगर्स को अगर आप फॉलो करते हैं, so you guys can see like vloggers comparing this with a Clinique Moisture Surge, and I wouldn't mind using this because I have used the creme formula. I absolutely love that. I mean, it's great for summer and monsoon, not for winter though. But I am super hopeful for this product. Along with the Laneige water sleeping mask, I also got this Pond's Super Light Gel because this is my holy grail. मैं इसको हरदम यूज करती रहती हूँ. आई मीन आई स्वेयर बाय दिस प्रोडक्ट. दिस इज एन अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट. सो आई गॉट होल्ड ऑफ 2 Veet hair removal tubes because Veet का ये tubes they remain out of stock in Nykaa most of the time. Next skincare product that I am going to show you guys is the Dermafic toner. So I am about to hit the bottom of the previous bottle, and this is just for a backup purpose. Next hair care product I'm going to show you guys is the Dove Anti-Dandruff Solutions. मानसून जस्ट गए हैं एंड मतलब ये मौसम जाते जाते मेरे बालों को मतलब थोड़ा फ्रीजी एंड डैंड्रफ देके गए हैं. सो लेट्स ट्राई आउट द Dove न्यू पैक ऑफ Anti-Dandruff Solutions. And people have recommended this because this is clinically proven. They claim, so once I use it I'll be able to give a fair review on how this works. So this sheet mask sent by Naika as my birthday gift. Thank you, Naika. Thank you so much for sending me such a cute birthday gift. Thank you so much. I wanted to color my hair because I really want to color my hair. There's no reason why I want to color my hair, but I am in love with the Garnier Intense Red hair color. ये शेड इतना जचता है मुझे. I mean, I'm in absolute love with it. And I got one more colors for the roots because ये मैं root में नहीं डालना चाह रही. So I got this Garnier Black Naturals Oil Enriched Creme color in the shade black. This is, sorry, in the shade brown black, not dark black, but brown black. So when it comes to hair care, I got hold of this Biolage Matrix Biolage hair mask. So this is the Ultra Hydra Source Hydrating Mask for very dry hair, and this is so good. This has alcohol, however, but I find that this product does miracle to my hair, so I'm good to go with it. So the next product that I'm going to talk about is the Biotique Biomask Root. So Biomask को हिंदी में जटामांसी बोला जाता है, and this is an amazing Ayurvedic recipe for very strong hair. So I would definitely recommend this. मैंने ये पहले भी यूज़ किया हुआ है, but just because मैं बीच में थोड़ा henna यूज़ कर रही थी, तो I was avoiding this. ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है कि अगर आप हेरा यूज़ करें तो आप जटामांसी पाउडर या पैक नहीं यूज़ कर सकते. जस्ट दैट मैं एक टाइम में एक ही चीज़ लगाना प्रेफर करती हूँ हेयर पे. तो आई गॉट होल्ड ऑफ 2 कंडीशनर्स. मैं ये वाला तो पहले से यूज ही कर रही थी, मैंने अपने पिछले वाले वीडियो में दिखाया भी हुआ है. सो दिस इज द डव एडवांस हेयर सीरीज रिजेनरेटिव रिपेयर फॉर एक्सट्रीमली डैमेज्ड हेयर, and I thought of trying this out as well. So this is from the same house, I mean from the same product line. So this is the Dove Advanced Hair Series Rejuvenated Volume for thinning hair. So the final and the last hair care product and the last product of today's haul is the Sunsilk Co-Creations Keratin Yogurt Lusciously Thick and Long Hair Conditioner. मैं ये बहुत पहले यूज़ करती थी when I used to be in school or college, I remember. So I thought of giving this a try again in my hair care routine. देखते हैं कि कैसा होता है. I mean, now I am more directed towards products that are, you know, alcohol free or sulfate free. But in case अगर वो product मुझे suit कर जाता है तो I buy it. But yes, this was my birthday haul, and in case you guys like this video, do give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with all of your friends. Really sorry in case I kept you guys waiting, but this is it, and I'm really happy to come back and get my schedule on track. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel again, and let's meet the next week. Till then, bye.